Today we will be doing the numerical problems on the chapter 4, first chapter. And the formula is very simple: moment of force, which is also called torque. The formula is F into D. And if there is a couple, I mean two forces are equal and opposite, not acting at the same point, they are called couple. And formula of the couple for moment of couple formula is one of the forces into the perpendicular distance between them. So we'll use that formula. And when the question talks about equilibrium, that means you must make clockwise movement and anti-clockwise movement equal. And when you are finding the total moment of the force, that is anti-clockwise and clockwise moment, all you have to add. And clockwise moment sign will be negative, and clockwise anti-clockwise moment sign will be positive. So I will be doing with the question number 1. I read the question. A board is pivoted at a point. A force of 10 Newton is applied at a distance of 30 centimeters from the pivot. Calculate the moment of force about the pivot. Calculate the moment of force. That is, you can get the MOF. MF formula is F into D. Force is given 10 Newton and the distance is 30 centimeters, but change in meter, 30 by 100 meters. Answer is 3 Newton meter. Finished. The answer. Second question. Yes. Any queries? The moment of force of 5 Newton about a point P is 2 Nm. Moment of force is given 2 Nm and force is given 5 Newton. Calculate the distance of the point of application of the force from the point P. You have to find the distance. That means second question will be dealing with moment of force formula again same F into D. Moment of force value is given in the question 2. Force is given 5 into D. D value will come 2 upon 5, that is 0.4 meters. This is a direct one mark question, sir. These are 1 mark type questions. Now question number next I do. Question says a mechanic can open a nut by applying a force of 150 Newton while using a lever handle of length 40 cm. Lever handle of length 40 cm. How long handle is required if he wants to open it by applying a force of only 50 Newton? That means the mechanic wants to turn the nut in 2 different ways, but the nut is same. That means turning effect he wants the same. You can take this as 2 cases. That is first case. First case, again formula moment of force formula is F into D. Force he is giving 150 Newton and at a distance 40 centimeter. The lever handle is 40 centimeter, 40 by 100. Cancel it, answer is 60 Newton meter. That is 60 Newton meter is the torque or the moment of force needed to turn the nut. Now the second case, he is turning the same nut but by different way. The moment of force formula again becomes F into D. Moment of force value will put the same value, 60. Force given is now 50 Newton is giving the force into D. Cancel, cancel. 6 by 5 is the value of D. Divide 6 by 5, the answer will come 1.2 meters. That is, next test, the length of the handle of the lever should be 1.2 meters. Okay. Now, we are doing the next question number 4. Next question is question number 4. Question number 4 says, the iron door of a building is 3 meter broad. There is a door 3 meter broad. Whole thing is 3 meter. It can be opened by applying a force of 100 Newton normally at the midpoint. The door can be opened by applying a force of 100 Newton at the midpoint. Calculate number 1, the torque needed to open the door, and D, the least force and its point of application on the door. We will be doing case 1, right? Torque and moment of force is the same thing. Torque formula is F into D. Force given is 100 Newton, but he is giving the force in the middle of the door. Whole thing is 3 meter, but giving the force in the middle, that means the distance from the hinge will be 1.5 meter, half of 3. Answer will come 150 Newton meter. Again the second case, again same formula is applied. Torque formula is again becoming F into D, because same door he wants to open in two different ways. Torque value will be the same. Now he wants to give least force, and you have to find the value of that least force. Whereas the least force will be given at the maximum distance. Maximum distance will be 3. So that F into 3. 3 into this will cancel. The answer is 50 Newton. 50 Newton is the value of F. The answer. That means he must give the least force of 50 Newton at the edge of the door, at the maximum distance, that is the edge of the door from the hinge. Okay. Understood? Yes. Next question, they have given a diagram here. They are asking you like this. There are two forces. This is 10 Newton. This is also 10 Newton. Total distance is 4 meter. Question is asking find the moment about the midpoint of the forces. Find the moment of these two forces about the midpoint O. Midpoint O is the pivoted point. We see this question we can do in two different ways. We see this is couple. What is the formula of moment of a couple? We can do the couple way, right? The moment of couple is equal to one of the forces into perpendicular distance between them. We take one of the forces, that is 10, and the perpendicular distance between these two forces, that is 4. But what direction is, when a diagram is given, we have to write direction also. What direction? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? I am sure this one is studying in which direction? Clockwise, so put a minus sign here. That is minus 40 Newton meter, and here we write it clockwise. Clockwise is CW. Exam time you write full. Just now you are practicing, you can just write CW. CW is clockwise. This is one way we can do, or we can divide this one 4 meter into 2 halves. 2 meter here, 2 meter here. We'll find the moment about to, that is 10 into 2. That is with the minus sign. We can do the otherwise, there is second method. Second method, if you want to do, then you can do like this. Resultant moment, total moment, that is resultant moment about O equal to this into this into 10 into 2, but clockwise minus sign, other also 10 into 2 minus 10 into 2 minus 40 minus 40, answer is minus 40 Newton meter. Clockwise, we can write the answer. If you give minus sign and write also clockwise, well and good. Or if you only write minus sign, also fine. If you don't give the minus sign but you are writing clockwise, this is also correct. So any one of the methods you should follow. If you are writing both, is well and good. Now, next question. They have given a diagram like this. F1 is equal to 5 Newton, F2 is equal to 3 Newton, this is 2 meter, this is 4 meter given. And question is asking, find the first part, calculate the moment of force F1 about O. Then you have the second part, find the moment of the force F2 about O. And the third part, the total moment of forces about O. First I am doing for F1. Moment of F1 about O. Force into distance. Force is 5, this is 2. 5 into 2. I am sure this is moving in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. So plus sign. So answer is 10 mm. and you are writing here also anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise. Second part, moment of F2 about O will come 3 into 4. 3 into 4 with the opposite axis, that is anti-clockwise direction. Minus 12 Newton meter clockwise. Answer. Third part, total moment. Total moment about O, that will come addition 10 minus 12, the answer will come minus 2 mm. Minus sign is clockwise. That means this rod is not in equilibrium, it will be tilting in the clockwise direction. Done. Next question is like this, they have given. One here, another like force is given here. Here is the point A. Here they are showing the point B. This is given 10 Newton. This is also 10 Newton. And there is a point O over here. Now there are three parts in the question. First part says calculate the moment of calculate the resultant moment of the forces about the point A. The second part, calculate the moment of forces about the point B. And third part, calculate the moment of forces about the point O. Three questions, each one mark. I will be writing resultant moment. Resultant moment about A. That means this is the pivoted point. It is pivoted here. This is your pivot. So, or here the force is applied on the same point. So, and the value of distance will be, there is no perpendicular distance. When you apply the force on the pivot, the turning effect will be 0. If we apply the force on the hinge of a door, will the door turn? It will not turn. Because there should be a perpendicular from the hinge, no, the force must be applied at some distance, perpendicular distance must be there. Since here the force is applied on the point, that's why there is no turning effect. So then the turning effect of this force is 0, but there will be turning, this force is not applied at the same point. So this force will have a turning effect on it. What is the turning effect? This distance is given in the question 50 centimeter, given, already given. So this will have only the turning effect about this point. Turning effect of this one is 0. The first answer is write here 0 plus this value 10 into the total distance from here to here. What is the distance here? This is the perpendicular distance 50 centimeter. Will change in meter 50 by 100. Cancel. The answer will come. And what direction? Check. This will turn in clockwise direction, the minus sign. The answer will come minus 5 Newton meter and clockwise. The first answer. Number 2. Resultant moment about B. About the point B now. This force is acting on the same pivoted point, on the same pivot. That means this will have no moment. This will not cause any turning effect about the point B, but this will cause. Because this force is not acting at the point B, so this will cause the turning effect like this. This force is acting like this, we can continue. So this is the perpendicular distance. We will be writing, first one is having 0 plus the other one is having 10 into, what is the distance from here to here? This is the same as this. 50 centimeter, that is 50 by 100. What direction it will turn? This will also turn in clockwise with minus sign. Answer will come same, minus 5 mm. And here we are taking clockwise. Third one now. About O. None of the force, neither 10 Newton nor this 10 Newton is acting at the point O. That means both of them will create moment. So I can join like this way. Perpendicular distance. This is the perpendicular distance for this. This is the perpendicular distance for this force. And here we see that these two are forming a couple. So this force is acting downward, this is acting upward. This is the midpoint. So this is a case of couple. We can do directly here. One of the forces will take 10. We can take the total distance from here to here. The total distance is 50 centimeters, that is 50 by 100. What is the sign of it? Sign of it will be clockwise. This is clockwise. This is also turning clockwise only, so minus sign. The answer will come same. 5 Newton meter clockwise. So in all the cases the answer is same. But logic I explained to you already. Understood? Yes. Okay. Now the next question is over here. It says a uniform meter rule balances horizontally on a knife edge placed at the 58 centimeter mark. When a weight of 20 GF is suspended from one end. Draw diagram of this arrangement. And second part, what is the weight of the rule? Two questions. Uniform meter rule is said, so I draw the uniform meter rule first like this. Uniform meter will start with 0 centimeter and end up with 100 centimeter. Weight of the ruler will be acting here at the center of gravity, which is the midpoint. The midpoint is 50. Here it is 50. Here is a CT. The weight of the entire thing will be acting here. So weight of this one is given. Either given or we have to find that. Question will ask you. This is not given. You have to find that. And this one is balancing at 58 centimeter mark. 58. The rule will balance if you don't use any weight. At this point only it will balance. Because last time I told you that the point about which the body remains horizontal due to its own weight. You don't have to use any extra weight. If you are not using any weight, then this will be balancing here only. But we are using a weight of 20 GF at one end. That means this pivoted point will be some variance, and they are saying pivoted point is at 58. Now this W we are only balancing by keeping a weight. Which side you should keep the weight? This end or the other side? 0 centimeter side or 100 centimeter side? Where will you keep? Tell me. Zero centimeter, if you said fulcrum is here, one weight is already here. This will also come the same side. Can we balance it? Both the weights will be on the same side of fulcrum, same side. Can you balance it? Alright. If I suspend here, suppose if I keep it here, then this weight, both will be on the same side of the fulcrum, same side of the pivoted point. Can you balance it? You cannot balance it. You have to keep the one weight is already here. You have to keep another weight other side. Then only you can balance now. Then you have to keep it at 100 centimeter mark. There are two weights here. The weight you are keeping at 100 centimeter mark, question says 20 kg you have to keep and balance it. At one end, but they are not mentioned which end, 0 centimeter end or 100 centimeter end. That's why they are asking you to draw the diagram and show where you are going to keep. You have to keep at 100 centimeter mark only. Otherwise, you will not be able to balance. If you keep it here, both the weights are on the same side. How can you balance? Here is the pivoted point. Understood? Now, since it is balanced right here at equilibrium, we will write this at equilibrium. Clockwise moment is equal to anti-clockwise moment. What is clockwise moment? This side will give clockwise moment, this side will give anti-clockwise moment. Clockwise moment value that 20 into this distance from here till here. How much is the distance coming? Between 58 and 100, how much is the distance coming? Minus 100 minus 58. These are the positions marked. No, then 100 minus 58 will be the distance between them. That is 42. Anti-clockwise will get W into this distance from 50 to 58. How much distance coming? 8. Now you are cancelling 4 5s are 4 2s are 2 and this will go 21. 5 into 1 105 is the value of W. Therefore we write W is equal to 105 gram force. The answer. Understood? Yes, Amarnath. So weight of anything acts at the center of gravity, that you have to know. And at that point the body will balance itself without using any weight. But when you are using a weight, you have to the balance at some areas. It won't be balancing at 50. It will balance some areas. So there will be balancing. Now the next question says a similar time The question says a uniform meter rule can be balanced at 29 centimeter mark, half meter rule. A uniform half meter rule can be balanced at 29 centimeter by a mass of 20 gram hung from its one end. Mass of 20 gram is hung from its one end. Draw a diagram of the circuit and find the mass of the rule. That is the question. So we will be doing like this. This is a half meter rule. So half meter rule will be starting from 0 and will be ending at 50 centimeters. Total length is 50, half meter. It is balanced at 29. So 29 centimeter mark will mark it. 29 centimeter here. Balanced. Where is the weight of this one acting? Weight of this one will be acting at exactly half of this. 50 half is only 25. Weight of the rule is acting at W. And you are keeping a mass of 20 gram at one end. So which end you are keeping? 0 centimeter end or 50 centimeter end? Where you have to keep? Where? 50 centimeter. You can't keep it. You keep the. Here is the pivoted point. So this is one side already here. This also will be same side. How can you balance it? It has to be the other side of the pivoted point. No? Then that is you are keeping it here. Mass of 20 gram given, but we change this into weight because mass is not a force. Weight is the force. We are changing into force because moment formula is force into the distance, not mass into the distance. We will change into weight. That is we like gram force. 20 GF you have to write in the diagram. We will not write 20 gram. Mass does not have a direction also. We cannot mark the direction also. Now I am writing clockwise moment is equal to anti-clockwise moment. This is clockwise moment. 20 into what is the distance from here till here? 50 and 9. 29 minus 21. This is W into 25 to this is 4. Cancel the value, W will come same. 105 GF. But question is asking find mass. Therefore write here mass of the rule. Change this into mass. Mass of the rule will be 105 gram. Only gram given. Weight type we write gram force. And mass type we write only gram. Value remain the same, only the meaning changes. Gram is mass and gram force means weight or the force. Understood? Okay. Like this type of question is coming very frequently in ICC. Now the another question they are saying like this: there is a meter rule. Uniform meter rule 0 centimeter, 100 centimeter, and the weight of the rule is given. The weight of the rule is given 100 GF, and it is balanced at 30 centimeter mark. 30 centimeter mark by keeping a weight of 40 GF. By keeping a weight of 40 GF, where should we keep this weight? The question says that. Where should we be keeping that weight? Now once again I read the question. Question says a uniform meter rule weighing 100 GF is balanced at 30 centimeter mark by suspending a weight of by suspending a weight of say 150 GF. Suspending a weight of 150 GF. Draw a diagram and find where you should place that weight. First we'll see where is the weight of the ruler. What is the weight of the ruler given? 100 GF, and where will that be acting? That will be acting at 50. The weight of the ruler W is already given here 150. Sorry, 100 GF. Weight of the ruler is given 100 GF. I'll show 100 GF is already there. And where it is balancing? It is balancing as 30. 30 is here. That is your pivoted point is here. 30. 30 is here is the knife edge or here is the pivoted point. You are keeping a weight of 150 GF. Where you have to keep 150 GF? This side will keep or the other side? Where will keep? The question doesn't say that you have to keep it and then you have to find that position where you are going to keep. Question is not saying that you have to keep it at 0, 1 end. So you can keep it anywhere, we don't know the end. So suppose that one 150 GF only we know the value of force, the distance we don't know. Let us suppose this distance is x. We'll find the value of x. But it has to be this side, then we can balance, no? Yes or no? No. Clockwise movement. What is clockwise? This one 100 into what is the distance between 30 and 50? The distance is 20. This side at 150. What is the distance coming here? X. Now we find as a 0, 0 we go. 5 3s are 5 4s are 5 4s are 40 by 3. 40 by 3 is the value of x. Therefore, x value will come 40 by 3. That is 13.3 centimeter. That is where should we keeping the weight 13.3 centimeter from the pivoted point, from the pivot, from here this side. That is 30 minus 13.3. What will be the value over here coming? From here to this 30 and from here to here the distance is 13.3. At what centimeter mark? The 30 minus 13.3 subtract. That answer comes how much? Therefore, the weight should be suspended what? 30 minus 13.3 is coming how much? 16.7 centimeter. 16.7 centimeter mark. Okay. Answer will be like this. Now in the same question, they would have asked even this. So when this one is shifted towards this, then how can you balance it? Where should the W be shifted? Towards the left side or towards the right side? Where should it shift? If you push it this side, then this distance will increase, isn't it? So this should also be shifted in the same direction. So that here also you have to increase the distance, both the sides. Both the sides, the distance is decreasing, from this side also you have to decrease the distance. Did you understand? Once again. The question says if the pivoted point or if the knife edge is shifted towards 150 GF, in what direction you should shift the 150 GF? In what direction you should shift? Towards the 0 centimeter end or towards the 100 centimeter end? Which side you will shift? If this is coming here, from here the distance is increasing, no? Here also you have to increase the distance. That means it is moving towards which side? 0 centimeter side or 100 centimeter side? Which side? Then you have to write that only. If the knife is shifted this side, what direction it should shift? It should also move the same direction, because here the distance is decreasing, here also you have to decrease the distance. Understand? So whichever direction the knife is shifted, the force you must shift in the same direction, whatever force the question talks about. Alright? Okay, now I am doing a different question. The question says a uniform meter rod is balanced at 70 centimeter mark. Uniform meter rod is balancing at 70 centimeter mark by suspending a weight of 50 GF at 40 centimeter and 200 GF at 95 centimeter mark. Draw a diagram of this arrangement and calculate the weight of the ruler. Weight of the rod. So the question says there is a uniform meter rod. 0, I write here 100 centimeter is balanced at 70 centimeter mark. 70 somewhere here, 70. Balancing point is here. By suspending this is balancing over here. By suspending a weight of 50 GF at 40. 40 will be somewhere here. 40 GF, we are keeping one weight here. And another weight, we are keeping 200 GF at 95 centimeter mark. 95 will be here. We are keeping a weight of 200 GF there. You have to find the weight of the rulers. Weight of the rulers will act here. the center of gravity 50. Weight of this W is over here. Weight of the rod is over here. W acting. You have to find the value of W. Then you are writing same at equilibrium. Clockwise moment is equal to the anti-clockwise moment. But normal way you write the same way. At equilibrium, clockwise moment is equal to anti-clockwise moment. Clockwise moment value is how much? This side. 200 into this distance from here till here. Between 70 and 95, the distance coming is 25. Anti-clockwise moment, these two are giving anti-clock. First we can take this one, W into this distance. 20 plus 40 into 40 to 70, the distance is coming 30. Now you get the answer. This is coming 1000. No. 5000. This is 20 W. This is coming 1200. 5000 minus 1200 will come 3800. Is equal to 20 W. 0 cancel. W value is coming 190 here. So this weight was given in the question 50. So I write it 50. Then this will come. Method is same. This will come 3500. Answer is coming 175 here. Answer. Okay. Yes. This time two of the weights are balanced by this 200. Now we are doing that. Now next question was like this. Question says find the resultant moment of all the forces about the point O as shown in the diagram. So there is a diagram given. This is given O. One force F1 is given 1 Newton and this distance is given 1 meter. F2 is given here. Is also 1 meter. F3 is given here. 4 Newton. This distance is given 2 meters. And F4 is given here 5 Newton and this is given 1 meter. You have to find the total moment of all the forces about the point O. We write the resultant moment. Resultant moment about O. We start with F1. 1 into the distance is 1. Right? 1 into 1. What direction will turn about O? Anti-clock. So positive sign. Plus, now I am doing F2. F2 value is given in the question. 3 Newton. This is given 3 Newton. No? We will take 3 into what is the distance from here to the pivot? 1 plus 1, that is 2 meter. This will rotate in what direction? Anti-clock. Minus and this rotating in clockwise direction. Plus this is 4 into the distance is 2. Clockwise minus sign. Which is minus? Now this F4 5 into the distance will come in how much? 2 plus 1 3 plus or minus F4 will be rotating about this point in what direction? There is no anti-clock plus sign. Why is it minus? 1 minus 6 minus 8 plus 15 and now find the answer. 15 plus 1 16 minus 14 answer is 2 nm with a positive sign. That means what direction? Anti-clockwise. We write it ACW. Now sir. Okay. Now, one more last question we will do, and this chapter is done. They are giving quite simple question. One question is given in the specimen paper. From there, I am giving you. They are showing a irregular lamina like this. They are shown like this. Irregular shaped lamina, and they have given a point O over here. They are showing the different forces here. F. This is given like this. Another force is given like this. They have given the name of the forces as A, B, C, D. This is A, and this is written 30 Newton. Sorry, 20 Newton. This is 20 Newton. This is B, 30 Newton. This is C, 80 Newton. C, 80 Newton. This is D, 200 Newton. And this is E, 50 Newton, 50 Newton. And for all the forces, the perpendicular distance is given like this they have given the distance. This is given 3 meters. This time this is given 2 meters. This one is given 5 meters. This one is given 1 meter. This one and this one is given 4 meters. This is ICC specimen paper. This looks slightly complicated, but the working is very easy. Answer is quite short. We write resultant moment. About the point O. We'll do one by one. First force is A. We'll take 20 and the perpendicular distance, that is 1. We write it 20 into 1. What direction? Positive or negative? Tell me. This will turn in what direction? Clockwise direction, this line, or this line will be turned by this force. Force is here. Clockwise or anti-clock? Anti-clockwise, so plus sign. B, 30 into, how much to write? 30 into, this distance, what is the distance? 4. What direction? Clockwise or anti-clock? Clockwise, so minus sign. Plus, for this C, 80 into, how much that 80 into this perpendicular distance, what is the distance? 3. What direction? Clockwise or anti? The plus sign. 200 into, how much to write? 200 into, this is 2 meter given. 200 into 0 we have to write, because this force, there is no perpendicular distance. This force is acting on the pivoted point, on the pivot. Its line action is passing through the pivot, so there is no moment. Moment of force is 0. We write 0 there. Plus 50 into this distance 5. You must take perpendicular distance, but this will turn in no direction, clockwise or minus sign. Now get answer. This is 20. 240, this is 0, this is 250. Add the plus 1 first, this becomes 260, this is coming 370, 370, subtracting it, minus 110, minus means clockwise, answer. The key point out here, this force is having no perpendicular distance, because this is directed and passing through, this line of action is passing through the pivoted point. That means no perpendicular distance, so moment is 0. Though this distance is given, but this distance is of no use. We cannot take that distance.